Hey everyone, I just wanted to put a word in about this company called Veneers. I ran into them on Facebook, and I was a little bit suspicious about anything I see on Facebook. But I have a lifetime of having some medical conditions that have basically destroyed my teeth. So I don't smile much. I don't have the veneers in at the moment. That's why I'm not smiling too much right now. But I've always been self-conscious. And when I found Veneers, I ordered my first set. It was great. They sent me the kit. I did the impressions. About 4 weeks later, I got my set. But to be honest, my first set, I was a little disappointed because they didn't seem to be made all that well. So I reached out to Veneers, told them what my issues were. They said, we will gladly set you up on a replacement pair. And I just got tops because I have almost all my bottom teeth, not much on the top. So I got my a new veneers in a few weeks ago, and pretty easy to put in. Snaps into place, and I can smile again. I think they're worth the money. And if you do the impressions the right way, man, you'll get a nice set, and you can just bring a little more light to the world, and they don't really impede anything. Some people say, hey, well, I'll lisp, or I'll speak one way, or it doesn't happen. You get used to them really easy, and they're a definite confidence booster. So I just have to say, thank you, Veneers, for your service and your understanding and your quick response for a replacement pair. And I'll plan on getting my next one if I need them again. Thank you.